Do you need help lighting it?
Yes.
Light the lighter straight up and then put it down there.
No!
Don't go near it.
That's awesome though!
Why'd it quit?
Probably too wet.
Your weapon, hurry!
Where it went down.
Light it! I didn't waste $4 on fireworks!
I don't know where it quit.
Just light the string, man! We are experiencing some... That was awesome! Except I got hit a couple times.
I did too.
Wow, I'm gonna have fun cleaning that up.
Yeah, you are.
We are now not experiencing.
Smells good, doesn't it?
That was so awesome. That's gonna suck to clean up.
Yeah. You can't just blow it off. It'll be a mess anyway.